Imagine a world where Minecraft becomes a playground for those who can cheat. Have you ever wondered if Lunar, one of the most popular Minecraft clients, is a hack client? Minecraft, a game known for its creativity and community, has faced its fair share of controversy regarding cheating. Hack clients, software that gives players unfair advantages, have been a constant issue. Lunar, a client known for its performance enhancements and customization options, has often been at the center of this debate. So, is Lunar a hack client? Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, Lunar's official website and community explicitly state that they do not support or condone hacking. They emphasize the importance of fair play and encourage players to enjoy the game within its intended rules. While there have been instances where individuals have used Lunar to cheat, it's important to note that the client itself doesn't inherently facilitate hacking. The ability to use hacks depends on the actions of the individual user, not the client itself. The benefits of Lunar. Lunar offers a wide range of features that can enhance the Minecraft experience for legitimate players. These features include performance optimizations. Lunar can improve frame rates and reduce lag, making the game smoother and more enjoyable. Customization options. Players can personalize their Minecraft experience with various cosmetic changes, such as skins, capes, and HUD modifications. Mod support. Lunar is compatible with a vast array of mods, allowing players to add new content and features to the game. The importance of fair play. While Lunar can offer legitimate benefits, it's crucial to remember that cheating undermines the integrity of the game. Hacking can ruin the experience for other players and create an unfair playing field. If you're considering using Lunar or any other client, it's essential to use it responsibly. Avoid using any features that give you an unfair advantage over other players. So, is Lunar a hack client? The answer is no, but it's important to use it responsibly. The client itself doesn't facilitate cheating, but individual users can misuse it for harmful purposes. Remember, the true joy of Minecraft lies in creativity, problem solving, and building communities. Let's strive to maintain a fair and enjoyable gaming environment for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.